Abilene 99 is a whiskey. For information, there is unidentified traffic between 230 and 250. He will be probably a bit to the east of you.
And what's Abilene 99 whiskey?
It's probably military. Schema 752, I call back shortly for lower. There's some unidentified traffic in the area. You are cleared the Copenhagen via Alma 1 Foxtrot, runway 2 to left, intercept off Havana.
Sweden Hayes, 1755, climb level 190, to see me.
Hayes, 1755, Sweden radar contact, climb level 250.
Climb level 250, Schema 1755.
Schema 1755, proceed direct Econ.
Direct Econ, Schema 1755.
Schema 1755, initially stop climb level 220, it's due to unidentified traffic in the area.
Okay, stop climb level 220, Schema 1755.
Schema 1755, for information, the traffic will cross you right to left in about 3 minutes by his present heading. The latest I heard was between flight level 230 and flight level 250.
Various covers, Schema 1755.
Schema 1755, the latest information is he's around the flight level 250, so I will give you a further climb in about 2.5 minutes when you pass him.
That is understood, Schema 1755.
Schema 1755, the traffic will cross now in about 1.5 minutes. He's at your 10 o'clock.
Yeah, we're still IMC, no joke, 1755.
Schema 1755, turn right heading 180 to come behind the traffic.
Right heading 180, Schema 1755.
Schema 1755, you will have the traffic when turning. He will be pretty much 12 o'clock passing right to left.
Copy that, 175.
And he's now, coming up 12 o'clock now, distance 1-2 miles.
We're still in Hayes, no joke.
Okay, it looks like you'll pass behind him.
Hope so.
Schema 1755, you are free of the traffic now, proceed direct Econ.
Back to Econ again, Schema 1755, thank you.
Schema 1755, climb level 250.
Climb level 250, Schema 1755.
Schema 1755, contact Sweden 128.175.
128, 175, Schema 1755.